Are you currently experiencing a headache that is getting in the way of your day, not allowing you to be at ease and relax? Do you have a throbbing, a shooting pain that is in one side of your head or your entire forehead or the side of your temples, or even going all the way back to your neck, your shoulders? If you are going through a headache right now and are looking to find relief, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Manchal Kalra. I'm an EFT Tapping Coach, and on my channel you'll find a bunch of videos that are EFT tap along videos to find relief from and release emotional distress, different emotional challenges, and even physical pain. So I got a request since a friend of mine experiences a lot of headaches regularly, asked me to do an EFT tapping video on this, and that's why I've decided to create this one. So headaches can of course be caused by different factors. It could be something in your lifestyle, it could be dehydration, it could be something that you've eaten that hasn't agreed with your body, it could be lack of sleep, stress, work-related or personal, something that you're going through in your personal life. It could be a bunch of factors. So if you have chronic headaches, I encourage you to go seek medical help, go see a medical professional. And this EFT tapping video is just to help you find relief from sort of tension headache, something that can have an emotional component to it. Most times when we have any kind of physical pain, it is our body's way of communicating with us. Pain always comes with a message. Whenever you have any kind of pain, notice what your body is trying to tell you. Tune into the wisdom of your body and see what it is trying to communicate to you, signaling that something is wrong and needs to be addressed by you. So without further ado, let's get started. And in case you don't know what EFT tapping is and you don't know the EFT tapping points that we use in the session, I encourage you to go and just watch my previous videos, which will help you understand what this is, and then just pause this, go look at them and come back so you can join me and be guided with the EFT points. And when I'm guiding you through the tap, this is call and response, so you will just tap along and repeat after me. I'll give you some time after each sentence so you can repeat, and I request you and invite you to please use the words or emotions or phrases that truly match your experience and what you're feeling, because that is what will really help you find relief from and release the headache. So whenever I say a word or an emotion that isn't accurate to what you're feeling, go ahead and replace that when you repeat with me. And before we begin, I invite you to just tell me on a scale of 0 to 10, you can put that in the comments below, what is the intensity of the headache, 10 being the highest, like really a high level of discomfort, extreme amount of pain, it's throbbing, it's hurting, there's too much discomfort, it's almost blinding to the point that you're even nauseous, and 1 being I'm pretty relaxed and I'm at ease. But I'm guessing if it was 1, you wouldn't be here watching this video. So just go ahead and put that in the chat below, and once we finish the tap, you can also just go down there below in the comments and let me know how much the intensity dropped. I would love to know if this video helped you. So also just inviting you to take full responsibility for your well-being, and let's begin tapping. So before we begin the tap, just one last thing. I want you to tune in to the texture of the headache and assign it a color and a shape if you can. So suppose, and also pay attention to where exactly it is in your body. Is it here? Is it one side of the head? Is it your temples? Is it going all the way to the back of your head, your neck, your shoulder, or a specific point? Pay attention to the location of the pain as well as assign it a texture. It could be heavy, dense, prickly, oozing, metallic, sharp, or anything that you feel that you connect with as a texture. Also assign it a shape and a color. So what color is the headache? So just pick the color that resonates with you, and what kind of feeling. Also, if you can assign it a feeling, if this headache were a feeling, what would it be? This will also help you when we do the tapping process to recognize the emotional component behind this pain. Let's get started now. So I invite you to take a couple of deep breaths in all the way down from the belly, And let's start tapping at the top of the head and repeating after me. Even though I have this really terrible headache, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly as I am. This throbbing in my head, all this tension in my head, I can feel this stabbing, shooting pain in my, go ahead and say exactly where the location is, and it really hurts. I'm in a lot of pain right now. I'm in so much discomfort right now. This headache feels like it's blinding me. I can barely even keep my eyes open. I feel like I need to be in a dark room, in a completely silent room. And I just don't want to be talking to anybody right now. I need quiet. I need it to be dark. I have so many sensations related to this headache. I'm also feeling slightly nauseous. And I just can't focus on anything because this headache is driving me crazy. I'm in so much discomfort. Just connect to that pain in wherever it is located in your head or your temple or your side of your head or back of the neck. And tune into that texture right now, whatever that texture and color and shape it might be. This intense red colored headache. This sharp red headache in the side of my head. I really can't focus. I'm in so much pain. And even though I have all this pain and tension in my head, I'm allowing myself to slowly start releasing it. I wonder what it is that's caused this headache. It could be something that I've eaten that hasn't agreed with my body. Could be that I need to drink more water and hydrate. Could be that I need to catch up on sleep and rest. Or it's possibly something else. I'm feeling a lot of stress in my life right now. Going through a lot of stress in my relationships. Feeling a lot of stress at work. There's so much pressure at work. And it's really hard to get anything done with this headache. It's possible that I'm really upset about something. It's possible that I'm frustrated. I could tune in right now and ask my body. Could tune into the wisdom of my body and ask my body what it is that's bothering me. Am I frustrated about something? Did I have an argument recently that's upsetting me? Is there something or someone that I'm angry about? It's possible that I just don't find time for myself. I'm always rushing from one thing to another. And it's possible that I'm just really upset and angry at someone or something in my life. Take a deep breath into that. Tuning into the person or the thing or the situation that's causing you these feelings of powerlessness, hopelessness, anger, frustration, sadness, guilt, shame, anxiety, or a situation at work, something with your boss, something with your spouse, something with your family, any situation that you feel like you're not in control of. It feels like you're powerless, or you feel hopeless and you're just really angry about it and you can't do anything about it. Just tune into that right now. Tune into the texture of that. Tune into the feeling of this headache. What is this headache as a feeling? Is it shame? Is it anger? Is it guilt? Is it frustration? Take a deep breath in again. Tapping the side now. Yeah. And even though I have this headache, I choose to love and honor myself and accept everything that I'm feeling in my body right now. Even if it's pain, even if it's anger, even if it's frustration, I'm acknowledging this headache right now. I'm acknowledging the stress and tension behind this headache. I'm tuning into the texture and the color of this headache. This red, sharp headache that I feel in the back of my neck. I'm tuning into the emotions behind this headache. I'm connecting to the stress and tension behind this headache. The situation and the person that is upsetting me. And right now, I'm allowing myself to release some of this headache. I'm open to releasing some of the tension and the stress that comes with this headache. I can feel this tension and this stress melting away slowly as I tap. Let's say that again. I'm releasing some of that tension and stress from my body right now. As I'm tapping, I'm releasing the tension and the stress from my head. I'm releasing the tension and stress from the back of my neck. I'm releasing the tension and stress from my shoulders. I'm allowing every muscle in my body to just relax. Right now, I'm just letting all my muscles to relax. I can start to feel the shift. Slowly, I'm releasing this headache and the emotions behind this headache. Because I deserve to feel healthy. I deserve to be free of this pain. I deserve to feel so good in my body. And I deserve to focus on everything I want to focus on. Take a deep breath in. One last time, just connecting to the texture and the color of this pain. And just allow yourself to get present with that, the emotions behind it. And then when I repeat the sentence, I want you to go ahead and match it to whatever is true for you. I'm releasing this sharp, red, heavy tension and stress from my head, from my neck. Go ahead and replace it with whatever body part, whatever color, whatever texture. I'm choosing to just release all of this tension and stress right now. Giving my body full permission to just relax as I tap, as I take a couple of deep breaths. I'm feeling the tension and the stress melting away right now. I can feel the pain releasing from my head. I can feel the calm and peace coming into my body. I'm allowing this relaxed feeling to stay with me. As I release the last bit of pain from my head, I'm noticing how much lighter I feel in my body. Notice the sensation in your body. Notice how your shoulders are opening up. Notice how your heart is opening up. How you're feeling more relaxed right now. And just take a deep breath into that. And release. Tapping the little finger. I choose to deeply and completely love and accept my body. I choose to honor and respect my body and myself. I choose to nourish my body with healthy foods. And tuning into the wisdom of my body, I choose to give my body what it needs in this moment. I've understood what my pain was communicating to me. I just needed more me time. I needed to release those emotions that were holding me back. I needed to acknowledge and address the stress, the upset that I was feeling. And even though I've been so anxious, angry, frustrated lately, I recognize that my body deserves my attention, my love, my understanding, and I'm allowing myself to completely relax in this moment. It's safe for me to relax. It's safe for me to release this pain. Take a deep breath in and release. Notice how you're feeling in your body. Go ahead and rate that headache now on a scale of 0 to 10. Where is it at? Has it reduced? Where has it gone down to? And please feel free to share that with me in the comments. I would really love to know if you benefited, and be sure to save this video for the next time that you need relief from a headache. Save it, share it with somebody who can benefit. The more you guys share these videos, the more it helps me reach more people. It's really my passion, my mission, my purpose to help you guys find relief and release the negative stuck emotions that are causing you physical distress, emotional distress, and you'll be really helping me and reach more people and just share my message, my mission, and help more people benefit from this kind of tapping, and by sharing it. So save, share, comment, subscribe, and like the video so you can help me on my mission. I would really appreciate that. I really appreciate you for staying tuned in here, and I really hope you're benefiting from these videos. Share with me in the comments if anything shifted for you, what other videos that you'd like me to make, other tap along videos, and if there's absolutely anything else at all, I'd love to hear from you. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.